Hello and welcome to Make It Mondays. Today we're going to be unboxing the Kettler Kalos floor standing plush electric heater. So let's discuss what you get in the box. It comes complete with the heater element, the 3 sections for the pole, the cable, base, necessary fittings and fixings, a remote which also comes complete with the required battery. Connect the first pole to the base. Follow this by the 2 last poles. Feed the power cord through the pole. Connect the socket end into the heater head. Attach the protective clip. Screw the heater head onto the pole. Fix the power cord onto the base with the screws. We advise you to attach it to the floor using the plates and bolts provided. However, as ours is in our showroom, we're not going to do so. Slide the battery cover off. Insert the battery and then slide it back into place. Switch it on. Press the button once for the low ring. Press it the second time for the high ring. Press it a third time to have both the upper and lower rings on. Press it a 4th time to switch both rings back off. You can switch on either the low or high ring, or both. Pressing the button for the second time will switch off that element. For more videos like this one, click down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.